Greetings, St. Philip's. This is Dr. Katie Schmitz, your Director of Music, coming to you from our new St. Philip's home. I'm here in the choir loft to share some information with you about our new Sanctus, in particular its significance in singing it in a space such as this. So our Sanctus chant setting comes from the Missa de Angelis, Mass of the Angels, which that setting dates back to about the 12th century, which is right around the time of the Romanesque style of architecture, kind of the transition into the Gothic style, but basically large spaces, very tall ceilings, very similar to what we have here in our new church. And I think it's of interesting significance that this chant was written to be sung and was sung in these spaces for centuries. And what aids in the singing of this chant is the acoustic, having all these solid surfaces that reflect the sound and allow it to reverberate here in the room. And this also just helps us in singing it. It makes it more beautiful and it makes it sound better. If you can imagine singing in the shower, right? We all sound really great and could sign record deals based on singing in the shower. And so we get the same effect here, which I will demonstrate for you. I will say this is my first time singing in this new space. Very excited to share this experience with you and singing our new Sanctus. Sanctus, Sanctus, Sanctus.